bye-bye.
Careful.
Say bye-bye to teacher.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Look at her, teacher. Bye-bye, teacher.
What's my name again? Teacher?
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 Anong name ni Teacher Azriel?
Sophia po.
Ito yung
Bye
friend.
po.
Teacher siya yung friend ni Azriel.
Oh, Sophia. Oh.
Ah, okay.
Friend po siya sa lahat eh.
Totoo ba?
Kanina may umiiyak na bata, classmate niya po. Tapos, in-approach niya, tapos parang tinapos niya sa akin. Oo.
Hindi siya nanonood sa
Hindi naman po.
Totoo ba? Kasi minsan na-encounter kami na medyo namisik sa medyo na yung word ko kaya pinatay.
Hindi naman po. Wala pa ba ako encounter na siya yung
Say bye-bye to teacher.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye to teacher.
Rabbit. Bye-bye.
Teacher, salamat. Say bye-bye to teacher. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What's this? What's this? What? Octopus? Messi? Say bye-bye to your friend. Bye, friend. What's that? What's that? This one. Look. Rabbit. Wow. Where did you buy that, Sophie? Huh? Kasi sa Mateo pala. Okay, let's go na. Papa is waiting. Come here. Azrael, what's this? Oh, bro, you have stars. You have stars again. Nessie, picture ni Daddy.